Ondsel versus FreeCAD, choosing the right CAD and design tool. So when it comes to CAD and 3D modeling software, options vary widely based on compatibility, purpose, and user needs. Ondsel and FreeCAD both offer unique approaches. Ondsel focuses on rapid design for hardware prototyping with intuitive interface, while FreeCAD provides a powerful open source parametric 3D modeling environment for engineers and designers. So, Onsel is a design platform aimed at hardware startups and product teams, focusing on rapid prototyping and collaborative design. It combines 3D modeling with real time collaboration, version control, and cloud based workflows. Onsel aims to streamline product development by integrating design and product management in one tool. Pros: cloud based with real time collaboration, easy to use interface for quick prototyping, integrated version control and project tracking designed for hardware and product teams. Setbacks: limited advanced CAD features compared to traditional tools, relies on internet connection and cloud service, and the pricing may be a barrier for some individual users. FreeCAD is a free open source parametric 3D software suitable for detailed engineering and architectural modeling. It offers powerful features like parametric modeling, assemblies, and scripting via Python. FreeCAD is widely used by professionals and hobbyists who need full control over complex 3D designs. Pros: comprehensive parametric 3D modeling tools, open source and free, extensive with Python scripting, strong community, and frequent updates. Cons: steeper learning curves, especially for beginners. Desktop only, so there's no cloud collaboration. Interface can be complex and less polished. So, final verdict: choose Onsel if you want a collaborative cloud based platform geared towards hardware startups and rapid prototyping with team features, or go with FreeCAD if you want a powerful, flexible, parametric 3D CAD tool with deep functionality and prefer a desktop application that's open source and free.